I tried Lamina Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Lamina Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's often described as the wallet for the open metaverse. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Lamina is not just another crypto wallet, it's a gateway to a decentralized digital world being quietly built behind the scenes. On day 1, setup was straightforward. I created my wallet in seconds, backed up my recovery phrase, and immediately noticed something different. The interface looked more like a creative dashboard than a financial app. By day 2, I started exploring its unique purpose. Lamina isn't about trading coins or chasing pumps. It's about owning digital identity, assets, and experiences across the metaverse. The wallet connects to web environments where creators can mint NFTs, developers can build virtual worlds, and users can carry their data securely between them. Midweek, I tested sending and receiving tokens on Lamina's blockchain. Transactions were lightning fast, and gas fees were minimal. The app even integrates digital ownership verification for art files and credentials, something most wallets completely ignore. By day 5, I realized the real power of Lamina: interoperability. Imagine owning an avatar, piece of art, or document and carrying it seamlessly across multiple metaverse platforms. That's what Lamina is building, and the wallet is your passport to that future. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Lamina isn't just a wallet, it's a vision for what the next generation of the internet could look like. It's still early, but the foundation is solid, and its mission to create a fair, creator-driven digital economy feels revolutionary. If you're interested in the future of Woobi, Lamina is worth exploring. It's not about speculation, it's about ownership, creativity, and control in the digital age.